Hi, it's John Mack here. I just thought I'd run through a daily task. These web tasks are done in the MMM extra section, and they enable us to get 100% a month return on our deposits, if you like, or the help that we provide other people is more accurate. So you can see when you come in to click this link, you end up on this page. Pops up to tell you how long you've got left to do your task. So I'm well ahead of time here, which is great. So I've scrolled down and I found one that I fancy doing, and I'm going to click on Facebook hashtag open source. So we'll see what's in there. And what I tend to do is I'll go and have a look before I commit to the task and see what's in there. Then maybe even decide which one that I'm going to comment on. So I'm going to choose that one, I think. So let's close that, and then I'm going to accept this task as something that I want to do. So click on here, and then you'll get into a page that gives you the instructions on what to do. Sometimes these instructions are not written by people that have English as their first language, so you have to second guess it a little bit. So anyway, it's telling you to go to open source and scroll down the page and choose any publication and click comment. So let's just do that. So I'm in the hashtag open source section there, and now I'm going to click on this. You see the comments there. And invariably, you'll see that other people have done, 3M or MMM comments. Okay, so that's great. So I'm going to drop mine in there. So what I've done already is I've taken the. This is important, so I should cover this. There's certain hashtags that you have to put in every day. They're specific to a task. So what I did is I copied those earlier and I put them in a OneNote page here. So you can see those hashtags are there. And I've written this comment. Thanks to MMM Global and MMM Extra, we have the opportunity to make 100% every month by helping other people. This is essentially what we're doing here. And then thanks to Sergey, and then you can see I've got the hashtags in there. So all I've got to do really is copy that, and I'm using Control C on the keyboard, or you can go right click and then copy. So now what I'll do is I'll go back to Facebook, and now I've clicked to comment in here, so I just drop my comment in there. Okay, so that's my task done really. There's a couple of other things I need to do to complete it. So if you scroll down, you can see the tasks they ask you to do, like write an advertising or thank you comment about MMM, which I've done. Okay, so you post it, and then once you've posted, you'll get something like this, which is a just now link. So let's just post that. I'll hit my return key, and now it's posted, and you can see it's got just now here. So the next thing is to click on that, and that takes us to the page where my comment is the last one on the page. So what we have to do now, following the instructions, is to copy this link here. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I can go to the top of the page, highlight it, Control C, or you can go right click, copy, and then what I need to do is go back to this page, and I'll scroll down to the bottom and put that link in there. Okay, so I've done that. All I've got to do is send for approval, and that's it. My task is done. Okay, so that's my daily task to make 100%. It's like a few minutes. We'll see when by the end of this video you'll be able to see how long it actually took me, but it wasn't very long. And I'd done maybe a minute's preparation to get this ready before starting on it. Okay, what I tend to do is I'll make a copy of this, which this is the one I've just done, and I'll make a copy of that, and I'll put it in here. Right, we've got the ad that I put in. Let's just get rid of that. And then I'll insert the time and date. And that's the job done, really. That's what I did. Now I just need to keep an eye on this, and if I have to redo this, because occasionally they'll get rejected and they'll ask you to do it again. They give you a bit of time to do it again. But then I've got a record of what I did, and then I can try to figure out what the mistake was. But generally there isn't a mistake; they've just misread it. But that doesn't happen very often, so it's a rare thing, thankfully. Okay, that's it. I hope that helps when you've come to do your tasks, your daily tasks. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again. Bye for now.